Hello everyone, Akshay here. Welcome to Shiva's Tech Zone. I thought of making this video for developers as well as for a business guys who want to start their career in the Power Platform. Many people in the world working in the Power Platform with the different key roles, still many fail to know what is Power Platform and how it helps you to reduce the cost and boost return. So let's deep dive into it. The Microsoft Power Platform is a business application platform enabling business to create and deploy tailored apps, reports, workflows, and chatbot. We can connect this all together to Office 365, Dynamic 365, Azure, and hundred of third-party applications for end-to-end solutions. After many years of helping clients with the digital transformation, Microsoft found small, medium enterprise often feel they need to buy into a large systems. If they want to innovate effectively, many of these platforms are expensive and have a one size lift all approach, which means that business end up blending to fit with the software rather than the other way around. The Microsoft Power Platform is a welcome alternative. It's a low cost, high return platform that allows you to take incremental steps towards the change, testing, and learning as you go. To give you an idea how it works, let's dive a little deeper. The four core elements of Power Platform are Power Automate, Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Virtual Agent. We will cover this in turn. Let's talk about Power Automate. As the name suggests, this is a cloud based flexible automation tool. It is basically designed to cut out those repetitive everyday tasks, which is huge. It comes with a range of ready made templates such as Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint, etc., as well as the recommendation for the kind of apps it would dovetail time. Many organizations are using Power Automate in wide range for managing solutions, workflows, notification, collecting data, inserting data, and much more. Why I personally love the Power Automate is just because it easily boosts the productivity, which means you can save the time and build a easy workflow for a whole range of individual as well as for a large scale tasks. Power Automate can join the dots. We can connect over 100 plus data source straight out of the box, including Office 365, SharePoint, Dropbox, Facebook, Twitter, and much more. Power Automate keep data secure, which means we can securely connect to on-premise data and cloud-based services. As you go, we can keep information secure and make the most of the data you already have. Power Automate make automation much simpler and low risk process. However, you need to have some foundation in place to make the most things capable. Now let's talk about Power Apps. We have found that solving business challenges is so much simpler with the Power Apps. We can create apps quickly and cost effectively, then integrating them seamlessly into our business. In Power Apps, we have Canvas application and model driven application. When to use Canvas app and when to use model driven app. When you are really concerned about the UI and you want to connect with different data source, then definitely you have to go for Canvas app. And when you are really concerned about the data modeling and you have a static workflow and you have really very standard business rules, then you have to go for model driven app. In model driven app, as of now, we can connect only with the common data service to have a better insight. Why we all love Power Apps? Because we can use Power Apps with all the devices such as mobile phones, tablets, desktop, etc. And Power Apps can maximize control and security. Using Power Apps, it is really easy to control your app as well as set up data policy, permissions, and control options. Power Apps also boost your productivity. We can create a whole suite of apps to support different roles across your business. Power Apps can boost your productivity. Power Apps can create a whole set of apps to support different roles across your business, like removing time consuming manual process and capturing real time data and giving you complete insight of dashboards available in Power Apps. Let's talk about Power BI. Power BI is a cloud-based data visualization and reporting tool which help us to bring all our data together in one place. Using a series of smart dashboards, we can see our different data set and get real-time view of our business data on any device. The beauty of Power BI is that we can easily spot trends, see correlation, and share useful insight with our team. Let's see why we love Power BI. In Power BI, our data is in one place, which means we can quickly see what's working and what's out of the box in business. In Power BI, we can share the insights. In few clicks, we can share reports and dashboard with our team. Also, in Power BI, we can turn insights into actions, which means you can combine Power BI with Power Apps and Power Automate to quickly build business application and automate workflows. Let's talk about our today's last topic, Power Virtual Agent. Like many folks around may be thinking that chatbot and virtual assistants are really complex and they are out of reach for most small and medium enterprises. Right. A few years ago, this was undoubtedly true because most of the companies were stepping back from chatbots just because of its development time and a huge cost. But now the Power Platform is making chatbot accessible to many more businesses. Let's talk about the beauty of Power Virtual Agent. Power Virtual Agent is easy to manage, which means it has clear vision interface. It is now possible to manage a powerful chatbot even if you don't have AI expertise. Power Automate is hassle-free integration. We can quickly integrate chatbot into your everyday services and process. This can include looking up records, personalizing conversation, and handling over to a live agent. In Power Virtual Agent, we have benefit for smarter bots for getting suggestion on which topic to build, plus monitor and improve your chatbot performance using AI and data driven insights, which is really beauty, right? That's it for today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or drop a comment. Thank you.